Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys some brushes that you can use for natural hair, and all these brushes that I'm going to share in this video serve a purpose. They have a reason. There are only a few brushes, so if you're interested, make sure you guys stay tuned and let's begin. You guys, how does my second day braid out look? This is how my second day braid out looks. Yeah, anyways, first brush that you're going to need, this is like an essential for natural hair, is a hard bristle brush. Okay, so you can get hard bristle brushes at any beauty supply store. Now I would recommend you guys shopping at beauty supply stores because they're way more affordable. They're affordable for everybody, and you just get what you need at a really affordable price, and the price that they're selling it to you is worth the price. You don't need to be splurging on so much money on a brush that's going to do what it needs to do. Okay, so beauty supply store. So basically you would want a hard bristle brush for styling. Okay, styling and taming flyaways. And there's two hard bristle brushes I'm going to show you. So this one is a much more wider bristle brush, and you can actually get a hard bristle brush even larger than this. Okay, so I got this size because when I'm doing my ponytails, my buns, all of that, this wider hard bristle brush is going to cover a much more larger area to make the process so much more faster and easier. So you can get these beauty supply store. There's different styles, designs, colors, lengths, with all of them for under like $3. Yeah, because I think I got this for like I may have got this at Dollar Tree. I'm starting to look at it right now. I think I got this one at Dollar Tree. I'm so wrong. I got this from Dollar Tree. I'm like, how come I never saw this brush before? Because I got it at Dollar Tree. So I actually have a video on Dollar Tree natural hair items, so I'm going to link that video if you want to watch that video, because I found some Dollar Tree items. But this one here, only $1.25, and you can't go wrong. It works all the time. I use this all the time. It does what I need it to do, and it's perfect. Let's go into another harder bristle brush. Now I would recommend you guys buying this one separately compared to this one, is because as you can see, there's a difference. So I use this one for gel, and then I use this one when I don't put gel on my hair, and I use it just to tame the flyaways, to brush up my hair and get every single curl. And this one is specifically when I have gel in my hair, and as you can see, it's much more slimmer, so it's detailing my hair, it's getting all the flyaways, and making sure everything's brushed up really nicely. Now you're going to need one of these just for gel. This you get like two for $1.50, and you can't go wrong. Okay, all I know is good for precision, and I have another one right now. I kind of broke it up, but it's just full of so much gel because I just use it. And the reason why you want hard bristle brushes is because it's very firm. Okay, like the bristles of the brush are firm. They don't bend, they don't go the way that your hair is going. They stay straight, they stay firm, they stay very strong no matter how you're brushing your hair. So that's what you guys are going to want to have, especially natural hair like mine. You need bristles that are so strong that no matter what you're doing with the brush, the bristles are staying the exact same way. Okay, yeah. So the next brush that you're going to need from the beauty supply store, oh yeah, so this brush you can get at beauty supply store. They come for like, they have two for $1.50, or sometimes just two for $1. So the next brush you're going to want to have is a soft bristle brush. Now they sell hard bristle brushes in the Magical brand as well, and you mostly find this brand at beauty supply stores. I also had a hard bristle brush in Magical, but I don't know where that hard bristle brush is, but I got a soft bristle brush. Okay, so soft bristle brushes I use for just light brushing, like flyaways, especially when my hair is straightened. When my hair is straightened, I'm most likely going with softer bristle brushes just to like tame flyaways, just to lightly brush my hair. So if you're someone who heat trained your hair, you have perm hair, or you are doing a natural hairstyle that you don't have any product in it, or just oil alone, and you don't need any hard brushing, you would want a brush like this. Okay, hard bristle brushes are amazing. Again, for flyaways, you just want to lightly brush up your hair. You don't want anything rough, tough. Even sometimes after going with hard bristle brushes, we go in with the soft bristle brush just to have it. But again, I use this mainly when my hair is natural and only hair oils in it, but I mainly use this for my straightened hair. So you guys can definitely use this. If you're male, you can buy soft bristle brushes just to brush your hair very quick and easy. Magical, I had so many of their brushes because they're so cheap. They're like $1, $2, and you can't go wrong with these brushes, and the quality is really good. It's like made out of wood. This brush, you'll buy it only for $2 and it'll last you for a long time. Same with this brush right here that I got from Dollar Tree. This brush broke on me, and I really don't care that it broke on me because they're only $1, $1.50. So I'll just go back and purchase two whenever I end up going back to the beauty supply store. Let's go into another set of brushes. So the next brush that you guys are going to want to have is a detangling brush. I swear by detangling brushes all the time. Okay, and I love this one specifically I live in the country, so there's roosters. I swear by this brush. Is my holy grail brush. I'll never depart from this brush. Now, I only use this brush to detangle my hair in the shower. As you can see, it separates. I think this might be like a blow drying brush, but I use it to detangle in the shower. So the reason why I bought this brush specifically, because it has holes in it, so whenever I'm done with this brush in water, it dries like in 1 minute. I don't have to worry about like these type of brushes that take so long to dry, because the backing of them is completely different. As you can see, the water will fall through these ones, and this one is like straight closed. But this one here, I just detangle, and it works well. I mainly use this when I'm in the shower, as I said, and it's so cheap. I got this at Dollar Tree. They sell these at the beauty supply store as well, but they're much more expensive at the beauty supply store instead of Dollar Tree. So you want to go look at Dollar Tree and find these. The only downfall with these brushes is that the base always falls off of them, but I don't care because they're only $1, so I don't mind repurchasing these. But if I do find an alternative that's much more stronger, I would get it. But I want every single buddy to try out this brush. It's only $1. If I can find it online, I'll link it down below. But Dollar Tree, guys, use it all the time. It's so painless. It makes detangling my hair so much more easier, and that's what I want. Everyone likes it. The only thing that they always talk about is how this part comes off. So try it, only $1. The bristles on it, it's not like super strong, but it's more like it has a medium strength on it, and it does what it needs to do, to be honest. So yeah, you guys can start using this when your hair is wet in the shower, because it covers much more hair when you're detangling it, and that's what you want. I don't want to spend a lot of time on my hair, so this is good. Okay, the next set of brushes that I have, they aren't necessary brushes, but I'm just gonna add these brushes in for anyone who likes styling. Okay, so these are just toothbrushes. Literally just toothbrushes. People who are watching this are just like, Sally, why are you using your toothbrush to do your hair? Now listen, you're going to need toothbrushes just to style your baby hairs, if you like styling your baby hairs. I don't care to style baby hairs. I like more of a sleek look, like straight back hair all the way out of my face type of look. But for days that I feel like doing baby hairs, I just use toothbrushes. Now, I don't want people thinking that doing baby hairs is a necessity for natural. It's literally not. That's why I'm just adding this one as a bonus. Don't ever think that putting gel in your hair and styling your hair with gel is a necessity. At the end of the day, you're not going to have no hair. You're not going to have any baby hairs. And the side of your hair will be picking off, because gel should not be used all the time in your hair. I don't care what anyone wants to say. Argue with yourselves in the comments section, because I said what I said. Anyway, so again, recommend toothbrushes for natural hair. Watch my Dollar Tree natural hair haul to know about some tips I have with these brushes and what you can do for storing and everything in that video. They come in a pack of 3. So you get 3 literally toothbrushes for $1, and you just use one and you just store the rest. And whenever this one's done for, you can just go get another one out of the pack that you have. But you can't go wrong. It's only $1, and this has been a staple within doing your hair. And some people are saying, okay, why don't you just buy the edge brushes from the beauty supply store that are like $1? You can buy those as well, and they come at 2-in-1. So the one at the beauty supply store, I actually have one, but I don't use it. They've been using these forever, before I even was born to do baby hairs. Okay, the next thing that I have is, I'm gonna say these two are kind of similar. So this is the Bomax paddle brush. I use this when I have straight hair, and then I have another one right here. I use this when I'm blow drying my hair, which I rarely blow dry my hair. This was like, I think it was like $1.50, $1 or $2 the most, and this one was like, I think 2 something for this one. As you can see, it's a wide paddle brush. Now I use this just for when my hair is straightened and I just want to detangle my hair. As you can see, it's a much more softer, and that's what I need. I don't need something like this to detangle my straight hair. This is much more rougher and heavier, and it's not necessary because my hair is much more straighter, thinner. Yeah, so I just use this to detangle it. It's a very good quality. So I think that's it for this video. Brushes that I would recommend you guys getting for your natural hair. Find them at Dollar Tree, find them at beauty supply store. That's it for today's video. If you guys did like, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below other brushes that you would recommend people having in their natural hair kit, and explain why you would recommend that product in case I have to buy one too. And I'll link other videos, other similar natural hair videos on my channel in case any of you guys want to watch those videos, and natural hair tool recommendation, products recommendation on the screen here. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Au revoir.